In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wallpaper image in WhatsApp Web. Adding a personal touch to your chats can make the messaging experience a bit more delightful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your WhatsApp Web looking exactly how you prefer it. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp Web. This is the platform's dedicated web application, and you can easily access it by navigating to web.whatsapp.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in or scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone to gain access to your chat database. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon which resembles a settings symbol. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will open up the settings menu, which is where we can adjust various preferences, including the wallpaper. Inside the settings menu, locate the section labeled Chats. By clicking on Chats, you will be opening up a new subsection specifically designed for customizing your chat settings. Next, within this Chats section, you want to look for and select the option marked Wallpaper. This is the area where you can define the aesthetic of your chat backgrounds. Once you click on it, you'll see a selection of color options to choose from rather than uploading a specific image. After selecting wallpaper, you'll be presented with various color themes. Scroll through the available color options to find a background that suits your mood or style. These colors can add a lively or calming atmosphere to your chats depending on your choice. Additionally, you'll notice an option labeled Add WhatsApp Doodles. This is a subtle design feature that overlays fun little drawings on your selected color background. If you're feeling playful, you might want to check this box to add these charming embellishments. However, if you prefer a minimalistic look, you might decide to keep this unchecked. It's important to know that any changes you make here in terms of color theme or doodles will be applied uniformly across all chats you access on WhatsApp Web. This means your newly decorated interface will be consistent, whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues. And that's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy a more personalized chatting environment on WhatsApp Web. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Feel free to experiment with different colors and styles until you find the one that perfectly fits your taste. Happy chatting and see you in the next video.